Alright guys, I told you that I'm very excited in this new month of April. Not just because it's my birth month, no. But another good reason why I'm this excited is because I'll be launching my book this same month of April, and precisely on the 27th of April 2023, which is my birthday. Woo! Join me and shout! Alright, you can see why I'm this excited. It's a dream come true. I've been working on this book actually for a while now, with some sleepless nights and other things that are stressful, but I'm happy that I'm over 90% done with everything, and on the 27th of this April I'll be launching the book, so I'm very excited about it. And the book, I don't want to tell you anything about it. All I need to tell you is to try and get a copy and go through it, and boom, if you're a business person, you are a corporate worker, you have your own personal business or a company, it's going to help you blow up your brand and business, and you'll be making sales regularly, in fact on daily basis. Are you getting me? If you're not selling every day, if someone is not buying something from you every day, then you are yet to get it correctly. Okay, you need that money every day. You know why? Because you spend money every day, isn't it? Okay, so that's another reason why I'm this excited, and I will be updating you about this beautiful book that is coming out, and the title is yet to be reviewed. Okay, all right, you can also guess the title. Let me see, I will have a gift for you if you can guess the title of my book. I know it will be very difficult for you, but just try and guess. Okay, I'm waiting for your guess. Just drop it on the comment section of this video and let me see if you're right. All right. Bye.